I'm John Adrian Romano, registered criminologist. I'm a person that never quits and I'm a very focused person, especially if I am tasked to do my job. My educational background is Ordaneta One Central School, First Honor, 2016 to 2017. Lyceum Northwestern University, 2018 to 2021, cum laude. Pinmayupang College of Ordaneta, 2021 to 2023 with high honors. University of the Cordilleras, cum laude. My skills is time management, professional investigator, professional first aider, team leading expert. My experiences are 7-Eleven manager, janitor, professional bodyguard, and intern. I'm a driven criminology professional with experience in both academic research and practical investigative work. I have a bachelor's degree in criminology, where I focus on studying criminal behavior, the criminal justice system, and evidence based crime prevention. After graduating, I work as a crime scene investigator, honing my skills in evidence collection, forensic analysis, and objective case documentation. Outside of work, I volunteer monitoring at risk youth to help divert them from delinquency. I am passionate about using my knowledge and skills to enhance public safety and support victims of crime. I am excited about this opportunity because your work is directly aligned with my professional passions. I admire your innovative data driven approaches to criminal justice reform and crime prevention. Your focus on incorporating the latest criminological research resonates with me, and I am eager to contribute my analytical skills and academic background to further your mission. I am also inspired by your emphasis on collaboration and multidisciplinary teamwork, as I thrive in environments where I can work closely with experts from diverse fields. One weakness is that I can sometimes become overly invested in cases or projects, neglecting other priorities. However, this passion and attention detail is also a key strength. I excel at a critical thinking, problem solving, and through rigorous work. I am also a highly effective communicator, able to translate complex information for diverse audiences. I can leverage my criminology expertise and investigative experience to provide rigorous data driven insights that inform your evidence based initiatives. My background will allow me to bridge the gap between academic research and real world implementation, ensuring your programs and policies are grounded in practical realities. Additionally, my passion for monitoring and community engagement will be valuable in building stakeholder partnership and fostering trust. You should hire me because I possess the perfect blend of academic expertise, practical experience, and genuine passion for criminology. My versatile skill set, critical thinking abilities, and strong alignment with your mission make me an invaluable asset to your team. I'm confident I can hit the ground running and make an immediate impact, while also contributing to the long term growth and success of your organization.